And to make sure the city of Rochester is prepared for the next band of snow, Mayor Malik Evans and his public works team held a briefing to explain how people and businesses can stay ahead of the storm. Alex Love is live with what you need to know. Alex.
The most important things to take away from the mayor's preparations is people must move their cars off the sides of streets in their neighborhoods before snowplows come through, shovel the stretch of sidewalks in front of their own yards, and parents plan ahead when sending your kids to school. For students who must walk to school, parents should urge their kids to stay out of the streets and walk on sidewalks that are plowed. But drivers need to also take extra precaution when near schools.
Some people who I think forget that we have thousands of kids that walk to school every day, and they just rush down the streets, and particularly during these slick times. So I always want to encourage parents to make sure that they practice safety with their kids, telling them that, hey, stay on the sidewalk to the best of your ability.
RCSD has private contractors to clear their campuses, but for every other block throughout the city, it's the responsibility of the home and business owner to shovel the stretch of sidewalk in front of their property before the snow rises over 4 inches.
When the snow starts coming down, they're ready to hit the streets, those vehicles. That's when it comes over here to operations, special services. They get out and do it. If we think we're going to get enough, we bring out refuse truck drivers, and they run in tandem with the plows.
In total, the city could have as much as 120 snowplow and salt trucks on the road, but people must not park on the side of the street so they can clear the entire road in your neighborhood, or you could be towed.
We're going to move it to the impound lot, and you will be responsible for that fee. So the motorists will be responsible for that fee, and I can't stress that enough.
If people feel the need to report anything weather or public works related, or to find out when and what roads and sidewalks will be plowed, you can reach the city by dialing 311 or log on to the City of Rochester's website. Live in Rochester, Alex Love, News 8.